Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very simple CPA marketing. You heard me about CPA marketing, not affiliate marketing. So that means you refer your CPA link to people that they don't have to buy or spend any money on anything. They just have to sign up or register in a platform or in a website. So it's just a very simple thing to do. You don't have to have any social media followers, or you don't have to do any promotion, any sophisticated promotion. It's very simple. You just have to follow me through each and every step. So I'm going to show you in detail. Of course, I'm going to make it very short and precise. But before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and show me some support. So the first thing that I'm going to go is CPA Lead. CPA Lead is a platform that gives you different offers to refer to other people, so that others will use your referral link to register and to sign up to this platform to compete or to use the offer, and you'll get paid for their responses. So the first thing that you're going to do is sign up using this account. To sign up is very easy. You just have to give some personal informations like your name, email address, so and you'll sign up easily like other website and platforms. So I have already an account, so I'm just going to directly go to my dashboard. So as you can see, there are different offers which are available here. So I'm going to select the offer that I think will attract people easily, so that people will click the my CPA link to register, so I can get paid easily. So as you can see, there are different alternatives for, but in my as my favorite thing, I'm going to search for gift cards because gift gift cards are something that can attract people easily. So that's like my opinion. That's what I think. So I'm just gonna search for gift card from these alternatives. I'm going to search, select this gift card because the first thing is that the payout is good. I'm going to be paid $1.16 for a person. That's good. But not the only door there isn't. The second thing is that the offer is $750 gift card giveaway. Then this is something that can attract people easily, so I can get a lot of traffic. And the third thing is that this offer is available in Canada. This means people in Canada, if people in Canada uses my link to sign up, that so I will get paid. So this is the country is more advantageous than other countries like Ireland or Brazil or something like that. Canada is more available. It's like more advantageous to get more traffic. So I'm going to select this offer and I'm going to click on that. So as you can see, I can copy my CPA link over here. So the next thing that I'm going to go is rates dotly or rightly, you can pronounce it as you wish, rightly. So Rightly is a platform where you can advertise your CPA link. You can advertise easily, very easily, so others to use your CPA link. So I have already registered here. To register, it's also very easily as a CPA lead. You can register easily using your giving your personal information and confirming your email in your email inbox. So after you register, this is going to be your dashboard. So I'm just directly gonna click on create a new ad, so that I can advertise my link. So I'm going to give my ad name. I have already did that. So I have already the name how to do affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna leave the domain as what it is. As you can see, there is add custom domain available, but if you select to add custom, you are going to pay for that. So I'm just gonna continue for the free custom, so that Here is where you can design your advertisement. If you select on the top, that means your advertisement is going to be on the top, and if you select on the left, it's going to be on the left. So I'm going to click on evil pop-up. This is where it will be uneven method. That's why it's called uneven method. It's actually uneven and very tricky method. So if I click here, that means when someone landed to the website that I'm going to advertise on, this advertisement button is going to pop up within 10 seconds or 5 seconds or 30 seconds. I'm going to choose that. I'm going to make it for 10 seconds so that it will pop up after 10 seconds. Then I'm going to change the name into congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations, and I'm going to paste my CPA link here, and then I'm going to change this. You, let me make it for small letter, and you have been chosen to participate in dollars 150 gift card give away. Giveaway. So as you can see, it's going to appear like this. Then I have to, then I'm going to change the, I'm going to make it click here. Then I'm gonna paste my CPA link here. So as you can see, this is something which can, it's something that can easily attract people to click here so that they can participate in $750 gift giveaway for free. So if this can attract them easily, so if they are attracted, they will gonna click it and sign up to CPA lead using my CPA link. So that can that will make me paid, or that will make me earn $1.16 per person, and that's awesome. So I'm just going to click on done here and finish doing, I will finish preparing my advertisement. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to find a link that I will link my advertisement with. To do that, I'm going to go to Google and search for how to do affiliate marketing. And I did this because affiliate marketing is something that will attract a lot of people this at currently at this moment. So after that, I'm gonna select something, an article, something which I feel is good. So I select this article, and this will take me here. This is the article. So I'm going to select the article. I'm going to link my advertisement in the article. So to do that, I'm going to select the link here. I'm going to select it and copy it and paste it to the in their destination, and I'm going to select that I'm going to link it with this advertisement, and I'm going to click on create this. So when people click on this and go to the this article, when people click on this article and read this article, after 10 seconds my advertisement will pop up, and people reading about affiliate marketing will probably be attracted to grab $750 giveaway for free. So they will probably click it to click it. They will probably click it and sign up using my CPA link that will help me to earn money. So After I did that, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to promote my link, the link of the article, not the link of my CPA link. That will make it very easy for me to promote. So the next thing that I did was to go to the Google and search for Facebook groups on affiliate marketing. So I have this list list. These lists are different affiliate related groups that are found on Facebook and other social media platforms. For example, this affiliate marketing ninjas group is found on Facebook, which have over 35,000 members. So I can promote my link here because it's easy to promote my link here because it's not a sales link or it's not affiliate link, it's not marketing list, it's just a link of some article which I think it's helpful, so that I'm recommending the member of the group to read the articles that writing or telling them that it helped me, the article helped me, so that I recommend them to read this. So it's just it will be very, they will probably be very positive about it. So if they are interested to read about affiliate marketing, they will use your link, they will probably use my link to and click it, and it will direct them to the article. So at the time when they are reading the article, my advertisement will pop up in 10 seconds. So if they are they will actually, like, they would probably be interested to grab $750 giveaway, so they will click it. So after that they will be asked to sign up for free to participate in the offer. So they will probably sign up because it's free. They will just have to give their email address and some personal information like their names and something like that. So they will probably sign up. So after that, they will participate in the offer. So you'll get paid uh, your money. So in that process, I will get paid $1.16 per person. So the others people who are referring who are being referred are also being advantageous because they are participating in an awesome offer, and at the same time I'm getting paid or I'm earning money. So that's a very like win-win situation. So the very interesting part is that you can advertise the link in any platform, because it's not a sales link, it's not a marketing link, it's just an article link, and people will think that you're just recommending them. Not people are not going to think that you're doing it, you're not selling anything. Yeah, so they are not going to know that you're selling your link. So that's what makes it an evil way. It's very tricky, but also you're just giving an advantage for others, so it's going to help both of you. It's just a win-win situation. So I think you like today's video. It was very, I think I am sure that it was very informative and a very simple way to make money online. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give like and to comment your thoughts, and don't forget also to subscribe to my channel to show me your support. I am sure you enjoyed it. Thanks for your time. Bye.